A legislative push to allow for wrongful death suits to be brought on behalf of the unborn could have ramifications on Florida abortion rights. Action News Jack's Jake Stofan reports the bill would define the unborn as a person in the eyes of the law.
State Senator Aaron Grawl is sponsoring legislation that would allow for wrongful death lawsuits to be brought on behalf of the unborn, creating opportunities to sue when a pregnancy is terminated due to a car crash, an error made by a doctor, or an illegal abortion.
This is about the value of a life and that there is an economic value to life.
But reproductive rights groups, the ACLU, and Democratic lawmakers take issue with the fact the bill applies the definition of personhood to the unborn from the moment of conception.
They are attempting to grant civil liabilities to a fetus, which means they're attempting to define when life begins.
State Representative Anna Eskamani argues the bill would expose not only abortion providers, but the entire medical community to lawsuits and increased malpractice insurance rates in a state that already has some of the highest rates in the country.
It creates an ecosystem where you're just not going to want to practice in Florida.
There's also the question of how the bill might impact a proposed constitutional amendment aimed at restoring abortion rights in Florida to levels seen before Roe v. Wade was overturned. Fetal personhood was an issue raised by the Chief Justice of the Florida Supreme Court during a hearing on the amendment earlier this month.
I don't know that I could kind of affirmatively say that the term, natural person doesn't, as a matter of just sort of ordinary meaning, include the unborn.
Andrew Sherville with Florida Voice for the Unborn says the bill, combined with the Chief Justice's line of questioning, could lay the groundwork for a challenge should the amendment pass.
It would be another tool in our arsenal, and I think that's probably why the Florida abortion industry is so desperate to stop it.
Eskamani, on the other hand, believes the state constitution does not grant fetal personhood, and such a challenge would be unlikely to succeed.
They're trying to set up another legal challenge to basically say that abortion would be murder and thus not be permissible in any case, despite the state constitution outlining that clear denotion.
For local coverage you can count on, I'm Jake Stofan, Action News.